this and the next video, I will show you how to create a realistic GUI for the Falcon library. This video shows how to use Adobe Illustrator to make a panel design, such as labels and knob scales for 3D CG model decoration. And next video shows how to make a 3D CG model for GUI using Blender. You can use these techniques not only for Falcon library creation but also for creating Contact libraries and VST plugins. Open the Illustrator. Draw a background with a gray rectangle. Lock the background layer. Next, draw the knob marker guides. I use yellow for clarity. Draw a large circle and a small circle. Align the centers of the two circles using the Align panel. Draw the knob scale. Draw a white, thin rectangle along the large circle. Click the rotation tool. Alt-click on the center of the little circle to set the center of rotation. Set the angle to 45 degrees. Click the copy button. Repeat with Ctrl-D. Create another one on the right side at -45 degrees. Create another knob scale in the same way. Draw this one at 30-degree intervals. Enter the label text. This font looks good. Select all objects and group them. Copy the objects. Set the title to Oscillator 2. Temporarily hide the background to make it a transparent color. Then export the image. Now, open the Blender. Select the Edit menu and Preferences. Add-ons. Search by plane. Enable the Import Images as Planes add-on. Press Shift-A to add an object. Select Images as Planes. Adjust size and position. Select Shrink Wrap from the modifier. Click the target object to stick. Set the offset to 0.001 to avoid too much overlap. Adjust the position again. And you are done. Let's render it. Feels good. The next video will show how to make a 3D CG model for GUI using Blender.